Neville Goddard. Words are the power to create. Be mindful of how you use them to shape your world. Every utterance, every phrase carries with it the potential to bring about change, for better or worse. This concept underscores a fundamental truth. Our words are not mere sounds or symbols, but powerful forces that influence and create our reality. Understanding this principle can fundamentally alter how you approach communication and the intentions behind your words. Words are far more than just tools for communication. They are catalysts for manifestation. When we speak, we are not just expressing thoughts, but are actively engaging in the process of creating our circumstances. Each word carries with it a vibrational frequency that resonates with the universe, setting into motion a chain of events that aligns with the energy of what we say. This means that every spoken word has the potential to attract or repel experiences, relationships, and opportunities based on the energy it conveys. To fully grasp the impact of words on reality, consider how language influences our perception of events. The way we describe our experiences shapes our understanding and reaction to them. For instance, if we continuously speak negatively about our situation, we reinforce a narrative of limitation and struggle. Conversely, speaking positively and with intention can shift our focus and open us up to new possibilities. This is not just about putting on a positive facade, but about aligning our verbal expressions with the reality we wish to create. One critical aspect of harnessing the power of words is being mindful of self-talk. The internal dialogue we maintain with ourselves has a profound effect on our self-image and overall mindset. When we speak kindly and encouragingly to ourselves, we foster a sense of self-worth and confidence. This in turn influences our external reality as we project an aura of positivity and capability that attracts supportive circumstances and people. On the other hand, negative self-talk can undermine our efforts and perpetuate feelings of inadequacy or doubt. In addition to self-talk, the words we use in our interactions with others also play a significant role in shaping our reality. The language we choose when discussing our goals, desires, and challenges can either empower or hinder us. For example, expressing doubt or skepticism about our ability to achieve something can create a self-fulfilling prophecy, whereas speaking with conviction and certainty can galvanize our efforts and draw us closer to our objectives. This principle underscores the importance of being deliberate and thoughtful about the words we choose in our everyday conversations. Another important consideration is the impact of our words on relationships. Communication is a fundamental component of any relationship, and the way we express ourselves can either strengthen or weaken our connections with others. Words of encouragement, appreciation, and empathy foster positive interactions and deepen bonds, while harsh or critical language can create rifts and misunderstandings. By being mindful of how we communicate, we can cultivate healthier and more fulfilling relationships, both personally and professionally. The concept of word shaping reality also extends to the collective consciousness. The language we use collectively as a society influences cultural norms and societal values. By advocating for positive and constructive language, we contribute to a collective shift towards a more supportive and harmonious world. This collective impact highlights the broader implications of mindful communication and the potential for words to effectuate societal change. In practical terms, being aware of the power of words involves developing a habit of conscious communication. This means taking a moment to reflect on the intentions behind our words and considering their potential impact. It also involves practicing active listening and empathy, ensuring that our communication is aligned with the principles of respect and understanding. By cultivating these habits, we can enhance our ability to create positive and meaningful interactions that contribute to a more fulfilling reality. It is also essential to recognize that the impact of words is not limited to immediate effects, but extends to long-term outcomes. The patterns of language we establish over time contribute to the overall narrative of our lives. By consistently choosing words that align with our values and aspirations, we build a foundation for sustained positive change. This ongoing commitment to mindful communication reinforces our ability to manifest our desired reality and achieve our goals. One area where the impact of words is particularly evident is in the realm of goal setting and achievement. When you articulate your goals clearly and with conviction, you set a powerful intention that aligns your actions with your desired outcome. This clarity of expression helps you to focus your energy and efforts on achieving what you've set out to accomplish. For instance, stating your goals in the present tense as if they have already been achieved, such as saying, "I am a successful entrepreneur," can create a powerful mental image that drives your actions and decisions. This technique not only reinforces your commitment, but also helps to overcome obstacles by maintaining a clear vision of success. Another significant aspect of the power of words is their ability to influence emotional well-being. Language has the power to evoke a wide range of emotions, and the words we choose can either uplift or diminish our emotional state. When we speak positively and constructively, we create an environment that fosters emotional resilience and well-being. Conversely, negative or critical language can contribute to stress and anxiety. By consciously choosing words that promote positivity and encouragement, we can enhance our emotional health and create a more supportive internal environment. The role of language in shaping our reality also extends to the way we interpret and respond to external events. The narratives we construct through our language influence our perception of situations and our reactions to them. For example, framing a challenge as an opportunity for growth rather than a setback can alter your approach and enhance your ability to overcome difficulties. This shift in perspective is crucial for maintaining a proactive and resilient mindset, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and effectiveness. In the context of personal development, the language we use to describe ourselves and our experiences can significantly impact our growth trajectory. Self-descriptions and labels we attach to ourselves, such as "I am not good enough" or "I am a learner," shape our self-concept and influence our behavior. By adopting a language that reflects our aspirations and strengths, we can foster a more positive self-image and encourage behaviors that align with our goals. This practice involves regularly affirming your strengths and achievements, which reinforces a growth mindset and supports ongoing personal development. Moreover, the impact of words on our reality can be observed in the realm of creativity and innovation. The language we use to describe our ideas and visions can either inspire or limit our creative potential. Encouraging and supportive language fosters an environment where creativity can flourish, while restrictive or negative language can stifle innovation. By creating a dialogue that supports exploration and experimentation, you can cultivate a mindset that thinks new ideas and possibilities, enhancing your ability to innovate and achieve your goals. In relationships, the words we use play a critical role in shaping the dynamics and quality of our interactions. Effective communication, characterized by empathy and respect, strengthens connections and fosters mutual understanding. By choosing words that convey appreciation, support, and empathy, you build stronger, more positive relationships. Conversely, negative or dismissive language can create misunderstandings and conflict. Practicing mindful communication enhances the quality of your relationships and contributes to a more harmonious and supportive social environment. Another important consideration is the role of language in influencing societal norms and values. Collective language patterns shape cultural attitudes and societal expectations. By advocating for positive and inclusive language, you contribute to a shift in societal values that supports greater understanding and cooperation. This collective impact highlights the broader implications of mindful communication and the potential for words to drive meaningful change in society. To effectively harness the power of words, it is beneficial to incorporate practices that enhance your awareness and intentionality in communication. One such practice is journaling, which allows you to explore and refine your language patterns and intentions. By reflecting on your thoughts and expressions, you gain insights into how your language influences your reality and identify areas for improvement. This reflective practice supports the development of more mindful and purposeful communication habits. In summary, the principle that words create reality underscores the profound impact of language on our experiences. By being mindful of the words we speak, both to ourselves and others, we harness the power to shape our reality in meaningful ways. This practice involves fostering positive self-talk, choosing empowering language in our interactions, and contributing to a collective shift towards constructive communication. Through conscious and deliberate use of words, we can transform our reality and create a more fulfilling and harmonious life. The practice of mindful communication extends beyond individual benefit. It has the potential to influence broader societal norms and values. By advocating for positive language and constructive dialogue, we can participate in shaping a culture that values empathy, respect, and understanding. This collective effort reinforces the idea that our words hold significant power in driving meaningful change. If you found today's discussion enlightening and would like to explore more insights like these, please give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue creating content that empowers and inspires. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and more valuable discussions. Hit the notification bell so you're always informed when we release new videos. Your feedback is incredibly valuable to us, so please leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on the power of words and how you plan to apply these principles in your life. If you enjoyed this content, consider sharing it with friends and family who might also benefit from understanding how words shape our reality. We're committed to providing content that resonates with you, so let us know what topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Your engagement helps us tailor our content to better meet your interests and needs. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and join our growing audience dedicated to personal growth and positive change. Thank you for joining us today and for your continued support. So every word you speak has the potential to shape your reality, so use them wisely. We look forward to bringing you more insightful and inspiring content in the future. Stay tuned, stay positive, and keep shaping your reality with the power of your words.